Have you ever felt exhausted, unmotivated, or just off in your home, like no matter how much you rest, you never fully feel recharged? You may wake up groggy, struggle to focus, or feel an underlying tension you can't shake. It's frustrating, right? But here's the thing. It's not just in your head. Your space is draining you. I'm John Ross, an interior designer specializing in Biophilic design, and I've spent years helping people like you turn their homes into spaces that give them energy instead of stealing it. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do that, starting with one simple fix. Let's take Sarah, for example. She worked from home and couldn't figure out why she was constantly exhausted. She had headaches, struggled to focus, and by the end of the day, she felt completely drained. We made one change, just one, and within a week, she improved her sleep, had more energy, and experienced a surge of creativity like never before. What was the change? I'll show you in just 1 second, but before we dive in, if you're serious about transforming your space, hit the subscribe button. I share Biophilic design tips every single week that you won't want to miss. Modern homes are designed for function, not feeling. Most homes today are made of artificial materials, harsh lighting, and stagnant air. And here's what happens when we disconnect from nature. Harsh lighting disrupts your sleep cycles. A lack of fresh air lowers your oxygen levels, making you feel sluggish. Artificial materials, plastic, concrete, metals create an emotionally cold space. A lack of natural elements can increase stress and anxiety. Your body craves nature, but most homes are designed to keep it out. The good news, you don't need a full renovation to fix this. You can make one immediate change that will instantly elevate your energy of your environment. The easiest, fastest way to shift the energy in your space is by bringing Biophilic elements, nature-inspired materials, textures, and actual greenery. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps that you can do today. Greenery is nature's reset button. Plants improve air quality, reduce stress, and instantly make a space feel alive. Start with one big bold plant like a fiddle leaf or a monstera in a high traffic area, and you'll feel the shift immediately. Unsure which plant is right for your space? There's a description below for a link to discover my top 5 plant recommendations for any home. Harsh lighting wrecks your sleep and drains your energy. Swap out cool LED bulbs for warm, soft lighting. Maximize natural light by opening the curtains during the day, letting the sunlight in. If your space lacks warmth, incorporate natural textures. Add a wooden coffee table. Maybe throw in some linen throw pillows or woven baskets. These small details create warmth and make your space feel more connected to nature. Imagine walking into your home at the end of the day and instantly feeling at peace. The air is fresh, the lighting is soft, and instead of draining you, your space restores you. That's the power of Biophilic design. I've helped dozens of homeowners achieve this transformation, and I'd like to help you too. If you're ready for a home that energizes you, book a free introductory call with me using the link below. Let's create a space that feels good every single day.